Good evening, friends. I wanted to pop on and show you what I'm fixing to do in my Deluxe cooking blender. So, wanted to say that we got these peanuts for Christmas. We were gifted them, and my husband thought that they were so good that they would make some good peanut butter. So, we had to get some more because I pretty much ate the whole first can and we didn't have enough for peanut butter. So anyway, enough of that. So in my Deluxe cooking blender, I have got 3 cups of salted peanuts. That is it. If you have unsalted peanuts, then what you're going to want to do is add a little bit of salt to it. But I'm going to tell you, this is the best peanut butter that you have ever had. You're not going to want to make anything else after you have had this. It's all natural. All you've got are peanuts. And I have looked at, actually my husband looked at some of the ingredients for the natural peanut butter that you get at the store, and there's still added ingredients. So at least when you're making this, you know exactly what's going to be in it. So it's going to get a little loud for a minute, but I'm going to quit my talking then, let this do its job, and then I'll go from there. So, but real quick, in case you didn't know about our blender, yes, it does cook, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different settings, but you also have custom settings that you can do. You can make smoothies, you can grind, you can make alternate milk. So if you like almond milk, you can make that. You can make soups. You can make jams, which I have done and I like. You can do sauces, heated puree, and you can. It also cleans itself. How many blenders out there do you know that cook and clean itself? I don't think there's really too many. So this is one of those little items that I really wasn't sure if I was going to use a lot, but let me tell you, I use it for everything. I'm making my homemade peanut butter. I'm making sauces. I'm making, chocolate sauce, by the way. I'm also making all kinds of salsa, and it's just the best. So let me show you how to use it. So like I said, I've got the peanuts in here. I've got 3 cups. I've got my lid on, and I'm going to change this to the grind setting. Well, if I can, there we go. You just turn the little dial. So I've got it on the grind setting, and the time that it has on here, I don't think you can see it. It just says 2 minutes and 20 seconds, and then you're just going to have fresh peanut butter. So let's turn the blender back on and start over because I turned it off. Okay, now I'm going to push the button. When it gets to a certain point, I'm going to use the tamper that comes with it. I'm going to open the top, and I'm just going to push those peanuts back down so that they can get all grinded up. So here we go. right, guys, it is done. Check that out. What do you think of that? Y'all, it is so creamy. Let's see if I can show you guys how yummy it looks. So right now it's a little bit warm, but just put it in a container and stick it in the refrigerator because that's the way you're going to want to store it. And you've got you some nice, fresh, homemade peanut butter, which, by the way, tastes really yummy with some sliced apples. So enjoy. Oh, just a little tidbit. This little bad boy is on sale this month, so if you're interested, shoot me a message and I'll tell you all about it. You guys have a great weekend. Bye-bye.